So we've built the world's first popcorn doorbell.
Invented by 11-year-old Lyla.
Let's test it.
Kids invent stuff.
Thank you for activating the popcorn doorbell experience. Your popcorn will be with you shortly. Activating popcorn. Thank you for visiting. Thank you for activating the popcorn doorbell experience. Activating popcorn. Thank you for visiting. Thank you for activating the popcorn doorbell experience. Activating popcorn. Activating popcorn. Activating popcorn.
A massive thank you to Lyla for her amazing invention idea. We have had so much fun testing this.
It's been brilliant, and we want to say a big thank you as well to the fantastic people who have helped us test Lyla's invention.
So we'll see you next week.
Bye!
Kids invent stuff.
So you've just watched us test a crazy kids invention idea. See some of our other tests here and subscribe to our channel here.